Since chest congestion is so common, most people will have it at some point in their lives. The accumulation of mucus in the lungs and trachea, which makes the chest feel heavy, is the cause of it. It can result in a respiratory tract infection if not treated quickly. The common cold is the most frequent cause of chest congestion. Allergens, germs, and fungi can also cause chest congestion and infection. Asthma, bronchitis, flu, pneumonia, and tuberculosis are a few additional causes. Typical symptoms include a tight feeling in the chest, irritation in the throat, mild chest pain, coughing, shortness of breath, and having trouble breathing. Here are some at-home treatments for clearing up chest congestion naturally. 1. Steam. Inhaling steam is a very effective way to quickly get rid of chest congestion. The heat and moisture in steam help to break up and dissolve mucus. Consider the following. Put some really hot water in a bowl. Add a couple of drops of peppermint or eucalyptus essential oil. Put a towel over your head and place your face over the bowl. Breathe deeply and continue to inhale the steam for as long as you can. You could also take a hot shower and spend 5 minutes inhaling the steam. 2. Salt water. Chest congestion can be effectively treated with frequent saltwater gargling. The hot water soothes throat irritation, while the salt aids in clearing mucus from the respiratory tract. Consider the following. Warm water should be added along with 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix vigorously until all of the salt has completely dissolved. Gargle with it 2 or 3 times per day until your congestion goes away. 3. Turmeric. Curcumin, a key part of turmeric, helps you cough up mucus and gives you quick relief from chest congestion. Consider the following. Warm water is added to a pinch of turmeric powder. Use it to gargle several times each day. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Another excellent treatment for chest congestion is apple cider vinegar. By thinning the mucus in your chest, it relieves congestion and improves breathing. Consider the following. To a cup of warm water, add 2 teaspoons of organic, unpasteurized, raw apple cider vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon of unprocessed honey. Drink the mixture. 5. Garlic. Another highly efficient natural treatment for clearing up chest congestion is garlic. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities help in the fight against congestion causing respiratory illnesses. Consider the following. Boil 1 cup of water or milk with 2 to 3 smashed garlic cloves and 1 teaspoon of honey. Strain it and drink it twice a day, until the congestion has gone away. Consuming raw garlic might also help clear up congestion. 6. Ginger. Because ginger has anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties, it can also help with chest congestion. Ginger contains polyphenols that aid in preventing mucus secretion. Consider the following. To a cup of boiling water, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped raw ginger. Put a cover on it and let it steep for 5 minutes. Add some honey. Take up to 3 cups of this hot tea each day. You can also get rid of congestion by chewing on small pieces of ginger throughout the day. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe for more advice and recipes.